Hi friends, welcome to Intone. I'm SHANOOP with a new video. So we discussed more about English language and learning how to learn English language and all. And I'm super excited to make this particular video because I'm going to give you a wonderful application which will help you to learn English language. And it is not just a learning app. It will make you completely fresh and it will never make you bored with learning. That is the specialty of this particular mobile application. And the name of this mobile application is Learn Languages from Music. It's an amazing application. It's an amazing mobile application. All of us know that we people love music, and there is a close connection between human being and music, because we can't exist on this planet without music. And music has a great power to heal the life of the people, to transform their life and spread the love around that particular person or around everywhere. If you just listen to music, it will change your life. So please try this application. I'm sharing the link below in the description box, so you can install the application and you can enjoy. You're not just listening to music, you are learning English language too. So try this one, and I'm waiting for your valuable comments. So enjoy. Wish you all the very best. Thank you so much for watching my video.